What? They got replaced it with a Softgloss MAXX 5? What?
What did it used to be?
Used to be original Softgloss MAXX.
Oh, okay.
And now got replaced it by a Softgloss MAXX 5.
It's a new one.
That machine was started in February 2024.
Okay.
This happened right after the hard freezing.
Okay.
And yep, they replaced it by a brand new Softgloss MAXX 5. That was the history of a car wash. It is that used to be a Ryko R7B in it, and it used to be a Softgloss XS2, and it used to be a second generation Softgloss MAXX, and now it got replaced to Softgloss MAXX 5.
Okay.
Cannot believe this. I would change the title to Gone Forever Original Softgloss MAXX.
Welcome, Softgloss MAXX 5.
Softgloss MAXX 5.
Mm-hmm.
That is crazy. A craziness Ryko.
Okay, it's not that crazy. It's just a new car.
There's the new NCS equipment. Yeah. This is brand new system.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's busy too. I'm filming this wash too. Now it's doing the wash cycle already. A busy Ryko Softgloss MAXX, brand new. Cannot believe this placed it. LED lights is here. There.
I heard you.
They ripped out the old Softgloss MAXX there. Was installed in July 2015. And now got replaced in the new Softgloss MAXX 5. This happened after the hard freeze. Then. Right. Then.
Mm-hmm.
This happened after the hard freeze.
I guess. I don't know.
Oh, here comes the hot wax. Or waterfall rinse. Yes, looks like the hot wax. Brush is folded in. And it must be hot wax, and then some rinsing. Cannot believe the system replaced it.
Okay. I can.
I will change a Gone Forever title on YouTube. The YouTube title. We'll change your YouTube title to Gone Forever Ryko Softgloss MAXX second generation. Sad it's gone. Must be a double pass of waterfall rinse. Must be. Can't believe they replaced it. I'm watching this somebody's car. I'm watching the outside view. Must be a rinse. Must be a top brush spinning. It must be clear coat and then spot free rinse. Hey, must be a top brush spinning. Ryko Softgloss MAXX 5.
Okay.
Still got wet brushes too. Yep, it got replaced the brand new Softgloss MAXX 5. Softgloss MAXX 5. It used to be original Softgloss MAXX. It was a double pass waterfall rinse. Must be a wash program differently. Then it says clear coat and spuffy and dry. This is very busy right now.
Mm-hmm. Everybody's car is covered in pollen. I want to get the pollen off.
The Softgloss MAXX 5 has a regular wheel blaster and wheel cleaner.
Okay.
Or HMI. Or HMI. HMI. Brand new wet brushes. Softgloss MAXX 5. Can't believe those LED lights working too.
Yeah.
Must be a light show. Double pass water fountains. Then glue coat. Yes, must be a wash program differently.
Yep.
Must be.
Must be.
And now, must be got to go light. Machine's not moving. Yep. Oh, gotta go light. Let's go. Come on, cars.
Go, go.
There you go. Someone will activate wash. Yep. I'm filming this one. I heard a buzzer. See it? I can see the brushes. I heard a buzzer again too.
Just wait till the car in front of us goes in before you record.
Okay. Somebody's washing the car. Now comes the high pressure wheel blaster. Insane wash broken too. Focus camera. There. Got the door open. I covered up and didn't see the people. Softgloss MAXX 5. It's brand new. Must be a double pass water fountain. There you go. Tire cleaner and empty pass. What? Another wheel blaster? What? It must be a wash program differently like that.
Oh.
Somebody's doing a high pressure wheel blaster. Well, why have triple phone? Yep, and never pass a wheel blaster. It's Softgloss MAXX 5. That is crazy. It's brand new system. The wash builder selected a wash program, Dad. There's a wash builder.
Gotcha.
The wash builder made a wash program, the original Softgloss MAXX. With a wash builder.
Okay.
And outside there's a wash builder on front. Made a wash builder too. Wash builder. There's 2 passes of wheel blasters. And then the brush cycle. There's 2 passes of wheel blasters there.
Okay.
This has happened. Yes, it's a. This is 2019 version of Softgloss MAXX 5. They ripped out the old second generation Softgloss MAXX and then installed a Softgloss MAXX 5 used in 2019. This used 2019 Ryko Softgloss MAXX 5 in 2024. Yep, and they added a wash builder too. And the top bush. Very long video. And then comes waterfall vent. In the middle wash including waterfall vents and clear goods pipe against the eye. 2 passes of waterfall vents, didn't get cold wave. The Softgloss MAXX 5. Then start a wash builder. The Ryko did a wash program differently. I might get a colorway that way. New wash program. There's a rotating Woodlands. There's a Softgloss MAXX 5. Then start in January, February 2024. It's very busy right now at the moment. Now it comes to hot wax. Maybe. And now it's just a rinse. Oh, it must be just rinsing. Oh, it must be rinsing. This is a brand new Softgloss MAXX 5. Bottom wash give us a wheel blasters too, Dad.
Yeah, cool.
High pressure wheel wash. Entire wheel cleaner. And the middle wash. The top wash includes colorway and rain gel, but the middle wash does not. Brand new Softgloss MAXX that were installed. So it's too busy washing. Softgloss MAXX 5. And then, when I do that, you know,
What?
when I set a camera there, I can edit the video to blur out the license plate.
Okay.
So it doesn't see it.
That's a great idea. Perfect.
It'll blur out the license plate too. Since it got the low budget, had to get the bottom wash. That
Okay. That's fine. Bottom wash is fine.
because it's low budget. Yes, it's wheel blasters too. Tire and wheel prep. Tire and wheel prep. On the bottom. All wash package including tire and wheel prep. Rainier Ryko. Yep, made a wash builder. But blood.
Car wash is getting worn out today. Lots of people using it.
They replaced the new Softgloss MAXX 5. Oh, the old wash menu right now needs to change. It says alternate from deluxe or express for $10.
We'll do it deluxe.
I'll do
It's
express.
fine. No, we'll do it deluxe. I want to
Deluxe.
get a underbody wash. And
Oh, the express wash that's on the body working.
I just don't need wheel shine here.
Yeah,
It's
look.
gonna be a good what?
The express wash is on the body working.
The underbody? No, it doesn't.
Probably
See?
is.
No
That is
underbody-
weird.
No underbody flush.
It's okay. There's must be working.
This
See what?
sign says wise.
It says
treatment
underbody.
still. It doesn't have the new.
Look, Underbody says
yeah,
that.
but it doesn't say it up here.
This is happens. That
This is the old wise treatments. This is ultimate car wash treatments.
Get a top wash. as
New
needed.
programming, new prices.
That needs the top wash.
No, I'm not doing that.
Like
one.
that.
No, I'm not doing that.
Oh no.
We'll do the deluxe. So.
Yeah. And it's hot wax coming out.
Yeah. I just want the tricolor conditioner. I don't need the wax
Oh no.
or the ceramic shine,
I like
as
that.
it says.
I like
Yeah,
that.
but we're not paying $14 for it.
I'll get a bottom wash. It's okay.
We'll get the
Bond
deluxe. Let it
Express.
go.
I'll tap it. Tap.
Okay, fine. I'll
Express.
tap it in a minute.
Tap the Express because it's
Let
low
them
budget.
Get on dryer, then I'll pay.
Double pass wheel blasters. Softgloss. Oh, time the triple phone come on. This happens a lot.
That didn't look like their undercarriage washer was working too good.
Undercarriage had a problem.
Mm-hmm.
Somebody's undercarriage watch had a problem.
Mm-hmm.
Just get it.
That's a nice new machine. Look at that.
Got a rotating
Pretty
wheel
machine.
blaster.
Good looking machine.
Rotating wheel blaster. And a wheel cleaner.
Mm-hmm.
It used to have no wheel scrubbers there.
Yep.
There's no wheel scrubber option. That happens. This machine has no wheel
Okay.
scrubber.
All right.
Need a wheel scrubber back.
Okay.
They replaced the Softgloss MAXX 5 and has a
And
wash
doesn't
bar.
have- I don't know how it tire shines. It doesn't have a tire device. on
No
it.
tower shine.
They have it in the menu. Wheels and shine, but it doesn't have a wheel.
This happened.
Scrubber.
The weirdest wash
has
we
a
used
blaster.
ever. Very weird.
Mm-hmm.
Just gonna body wash for a low budget.
Yep. That's fine.
Low budget.
Quick wash.
Expensive. Need to change the wash building pretty soon. We'll have to edit this video when we get home.
Okay.
Because it will blow up this license plate.
It's a good idea.
Used to be original Softgloss, man. They installed a new machine there. Car wash maintenance installed a new machine. Ripped out the old machine. Must be rinsing.
I don't know why they always do that. It's weird. Onboard dryers, huh?
Yeah, they have onboard dryers. Softgloss MAXX 5 has onboard dryers.
Please insert payment now. Please wait. Please wait while your transaction is being processed. Thank you.
Bro, this loudspeaker.
Yeah, I can hear it.
Featuring triphone. Those gas stations used to be mobile a long time ago as original mobile. Back in the 80s. Then it converted the show back in the mid 90s. This can happen. Cloth wash, rinse and dry.
Yep.
This is it says undercarriage wash on the bottom edge. That's weird.
That's an old sticker.
It says in the express wash, but then it's just soft cloth wash, rinse and dry.
Yeah.
Very much with the nose. We have deluxe wash with club nose. We have undercarriage wash, triphone, detergent, soft cloth wash, clear coat surface sealant, clear coat sealant, spot free rinse and dry.
Okay.
And the alternate wash includes lava floss and ceramic in here. An alternate wash. Yep. No lava floss in the middle wash.
Okay.
Just waterfall rinse. Middle wash includes. No, middle wash is double pass waterfall rinse. All of the wash package uses wheel blasters.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Please pull forward slowly into the wash.
And the carriage wash had a problem. Stop. Now it says foam bath. Oh, it says foam bath right now.
You need a foam bath.
Whoop. Didn't get all the way back. Oh, I got it, I'm back. It says foam bath. Oh, somebody got a top wash. Somebody got middle wash and double wash their washes. Somebody get the wash bill. I think the undercarriage wash had a problem. Yeah. They need to fix the undercarriage soon.
Well, we didn't get undercarriage because
Nope.
we got this
I got a low price.
low price package.
The guys need to save money.
Expensive car. Think we're rich to save money. And what the good rent too.
Then it says wincing. Tapas didn't spin on front. Now it says wincing. Oh, must be a clear coat. See you later.
No, this is rinse.
It says
Just a
wincing.
simple wash, rinse, and dry.
And now the front brushes, back brushes folded in. And now it must be spot free rinse. Yeah, my price got none of that money.
It's fine. Getting all the pollen off the car, that's good.
Spot free rinse. And somebody got the top wash too, then.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yes, somebody got the top wash. Including color wave, rain shield, and spot fence and dry. Must be a wash plugged differently as a wash builder. Softgloss MAXX installed in February 2024. Oh, it started in 2019. Yes, that's a placard is saying that. Yeah, this was manufactured in 2019. Okay. This machine got started in February 2024 because it used to be original Softgloss MAXX. got red brushes. There's no wheel scrubber, just a wheel cleaner and high pressure rotating wheel blasters. Yep, I think it's placard saying that 2019 on it there. The placards are saying that 2019.
Okay.
Yes, this machine was manufactured. It's saying 2019 version. Yep. This is a brand new Softgloss MAXX 5. Softgloss MAXX 5. Top wash and middle wash is wheel blasters then. Tire and wheel clip on the top and middle wash.
Okay.
Look at the gun light. Finally got a 30-minute video.